All right, my mother lives with us about 3 years or so now. We care for her. She just turned 99 about 2 months ago. So I'm going to give her a ride and see what she does.
This is quite a gadget.
Quite a what?
Quite a gadget you've got here.
Gadget?
Machine or whatever you want to call it.
Let's put your glasses up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you think?
It's really fancy.
What makes it fancy?
Well, it's different, too.
Have you ever been anything like this before?
No. Not that I remember.
I took you for a ride in a buggy, but that was like 05. It's 20 years ago.
Well, I don't remember it.
Yeah,
so.
that's fine.
But this is really something else.
Okay. Well, we're going to go for a little ride.
You'd think it had wheels that take you where you want to go.
I hope it has wheels.
Yeah, it's got something on it, but I can't see them.
You can't see?
Can't see them from here.
That's okay. I'm pretty sure it has wheels.
Well, I'm sure it has to have wheels.
You ready?
Yeah. I can
like you're gonna fall out? Because you can see the ground. All right. So sit tight, okay? All right.
This is what you call an air ride.
An air ride?
On the noisy side.
It's not that noisy, is it?
When I can hear it, it's, you know you're going to go somewhere when you hear it.
Just remember to speak up. So what do you think?
It's exciting, really.
It's exciting, huh?
And it's comfortable. You're in and you're not going to fall out.
You thought you were going to fall out.
No, I didn't.
You grabbed the bar almost in a panic.
Well, when you're going as fast as you are, you're afraid you're going to fall out, but I'm in here and I'm not going to fall out. And it's
open.
It's open, but it's...
You feel secure?
Yeah. It's a good seat. It's...
Did you have fun?
Yeah. It was kind of scary because I wasn't used to the fast. You know, but I knew I was in here and I guess I was holding on somewhere. But my feet were down here and I didn't.
Well, it's good to have your feet down there. So pretty cool?
It's pretty cool, yeah. And when you weren't going too fast and you could kind of get blown away, but it's really a nice vehicle. I don't think you'd want to go too fast too often.
Well, it is a toy.
Yeah.
It will go as fast as you want to go.
Well, that's kind of scary because you're not used to the fastest when we went real fast. And of course, I was holding on to something. This one, I guess. But I need something on my head.
For your hair? That's fine.
Boy, that's really a blow deal. But...
Well, I'm glad you went.
Well, I'm glad you invited me. It was exciting.
We can go again sometime.
Okay. Because I know I'm in here because it's a nice seat and I can put my feet farther down or I can put them farther up. But
do you remember how old you are?
Yeah, I'm 100.
Well, you're in your 100th year, but you're 99.
Is it just 99?
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you went. Thanks for going with me.
Well, I'm glad you invited me.
Tell everybody hi and bye at the same time. They're here at the camera.
Oh. Hi. It's worth it.
It is worth it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're comfortable. I mean, you're in here. You're not going to fall out.
Okay.
Even if you didn't have this, but I would...
Well, I wouldn't go without belts.
Yeah. You'd want to have security that way, but... Yeah, that's
all right, well, maybe next time.
Okay.
Thanks for going.
Now I'm going to figure out how to get out.
Let me come over and help you.
Over here. Here we go. Okay.
But I have to get up over this, right?
Yes, you do. So here's the handle right here, Gerry. Up here. Here's the handle up here. Okay. So you're going to put your butt up here.
Yeah, you got to pull yourself up.
Okay, can you pull yourself up and get your butt up here? Excuse me.
1, 2, 3. Sit in right there.
Wait a minute, I can't get...
There,
There
sit
you
there.
are. Okay.
I can't move my
We
feet.
got you.
We got you.
Now bring your leg out.
Is this one stuck, honey?
I can't.
You have to pick it up and over. There you go. There you go.
Can I swing over?
Okay, now give you
Here,
one.
bring this one. still sitting on that?
Yes, she is.
Okay.
All right. Careful.
Takes two people. Are you good?
Yeah.
All right.
This little